This is the back side of Stockstill Park in Branson, over by the skate park side. They've shut the whole park down. You can see over there by the fence with the yellow rubber around the top, it's flooded halfway up the fence. The entire playground and everything. The baseball fields.
Oh.
I know I'm not walking in that. Craig's going for a swim.
Holy crap. Oh, man.
Look at that.
All the way over the car path.
I know, look up at the baseball field. It's up halfway up the gate. Look at the doggy bag station. It's almost covered.
At the sign.
At the sign. Oh my gosh. Can't get a good view.
Look at the slide. It's
I
up
know,
to the
but
slide.
it's not. It looks closer to us than it does on video.
Stockstill. Get on the bridge, lady.
I'm not getting on the bridge. That is insane. I've never in my entire lifetime of living in this area seen this look like this. What are you doing?
I told you not to get out.